Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We had went for our weekly shopping today. What we do on weekly basis because we love to explore new places. So few of the things we take from other places, this that. So lot of the times we have not got a very good idea about what when we need something, what to take from where. Today we had went for Almea, right?
Yeah, Almea.
Yeah, Almea. So we went for Almea supermarket. There's a supermarket here. It's very famous. It's there in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, everywhere. So it's very famous, and they have some very good stuff.
Very
so
good
we'll
stuff.
be quickly sharing it with you. We thought of sharing it with you, so that you also get to see. So we'll quickly show you. Starting with milk, since milk is a very essential thing. First and second, it's a big task over here because there are so many things in milk. One second, milk is crazy expensive here, guys.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
So from the place we come, we have like dairy of milk and all of that. So it becomes very easy, sort of. Finding milk is not that tough. But here, so this is basically Al Alain milk, as you can see. What we do is we purchase a carton of 4. So as you can see, this is a carton of 4. This is of Al Alain. Al Alain is a very good brand over here.
And it's a low fat milk.
Yeah, low fat milk. So that is what I
We
was.
purchase only low fat milk. We don't take full cream milk.
Yeah. So and we always prefer the low fat milk. So that is why we purchase this carton, and we go with 4 cartons because we need milk. So we don't like to every day go and purchase singly. So that is why we do that. Yeah. So next is bread. Now few regular items of course. Since it was finished, we thought of adding it. This is a whole wheat normal bread.
Sandwich bread.
Sandwich bread, normal, a big one because everybody in the family likes bread
Likes it.
except for Richa. She has. Yeah. So next up is eggs. Some eggs. This is a carton of 6 normal eggs, basic normal eggs. Then we have some fruits. So we usually so this is something very nice that they have here. These are blueberries, right?
Yeah, these are
blueberries. So as you can see, it comes in
The best
carton
part
like
is
this.
the best part is the packing only.
Yes,
It remains
because,
fresh, and they have given small holes here, as if you can see. So if you want to use the full thing, you can just open it and pour the water and wash it in the carton only. The water comes down from here,
Drains,
and
yes.
they get washed properly.
It drains.
It
I think you
drains.
must have not see. You see these holes?
Yeah.
These are the holes she's talking about. And the best thing is that why we purchase this kind of things, because first it is fresh, as she said.
Yeah.
Second,
if you are going to use it half, it remains fresh for the
Yes.
long time if you keep it in the fridge.
so these are fresh
the
ones.
best thing.
And as you must have seen, if you don't see the shots that she makes, you have to see it because in the shots she shows lots of smoothies. So
Yeah.
in that she uses this.
I use
That
all
is
the fruits that
fruits.
we
Yeah.
bring
So
from
that is why we always purchase that stuff. So this is again in the same carton. These are grapes. So as you see, this is again in the carton.
red grapes.
Red grapes.
Red.
Yeah, and the best thing is that you might feel that okay, fine, the whole amount is of packaging and all of that. No, it is fresh. It's very fresh.
It's very fresh.
So it's thoughtful of them doing the carton thing.
And the red ones are very, they are very sweet.
Very sweet,
Many
yes.
people think that they are not that sweet, they are sour, but no, they are not sour, they are very sweet and they taste very nice. So we prefer red also, many a time.
Many others. Then we have some regular small oranges. These are New Zealand oranges, if I'm not wrong, right? Yeah, so these are in oranges only you will find Indian oranges, African oranges, Pakistani oranges. So many.
Yeah,
But
American orange.
yeah, American oranges. So we prefer either Indian oranges. If we don't get it, then we go for the New Zealand
New
ones
Zealand
because
ones.
they are tasty, very sweet,
They are
very
very
nice.
sweet.
Don't need anything. You
You
go with
don't
the
need
juice
to
also.
add sugar if you make the juice.
Nothing. It's just too good. So these are small ones, as you can see. So these are not the packages one. This is the ones which we. So apple, bananas, orange, guava. You will get the what we say is what do we call it? Yeah,
You get it,
you get it in
yeah,
no cartons.
You get it loose.
Loose,
you
yeah,
have to
that's
just
the
wait
word.
And yeah, you get.
That's the word.
Yeah.
Then we have some strawberries. This is again for the smoothies. If you don't see her shorts, you have to promotion of shorts today. Yeah, but so these are some strawberries. Fresh strawberries. Again, strawberries. The best thing about here is that whatever you want to purchase, you will get options in that. So strawberry will be like A grade strawberry, this, that strawberry, farm strawberry, local strawberry. So there are so many things that you get here. And the best thing is that before even I came here or she came here, we didn't know that there is farming that happens actually over here, because the first idea about UAE is that okay, desert, there won't be water, so it will be all imported, you know. So that is not the case. That is absolutely not the case. There are so many things that are actually farmed over here. Al Ain has big farms over here, over there, wherein there is fresh vegetables, everything, just like India, it's proper farming which they do in the country like this where it's half desert. But that's the best, that's the beauty.
Lot of heat.
Lot of heat, crazy heat.
Yeah.
That's the beauty about these people, you know. They are not just only considering oil or this all industry, but they are considering everything. That's the best thing. And that are again superb in quality. So we have tasted every damn thing. We have become experts in it. What to take from Lulu, what to take from Luzan, Safa. There are so many markets here, hypermarkets. So we know what to take from where, and we usually go and take it. So that is why we are so excited, and we have fun when it comes to weekly shopping. Then this is small Maggie cube.
Yeah. This
Tiny
is the
ones.
chicken one.
Then there is veg one.
Veg one.
Also, as you can
You
see,
can put it in the vegetable.
Maggie मिलता है बाबा.
Maggie cubes है वो.
वही, the same thing, but Maggie मिलता है बाबा.
This is the masala. You get it in a cube form. You can put it in your vegetables, or you can put it in your soups, or if you make pasta or anything like that, you can put it anywhere and they taste.
Ankita made amazing pasta on Adhyay's birthday. If you have not seen that vlog, please go and see that vlog. Jokes apart, please go and see that vlog. You will understand when you see the macaroni. It was not pasta, it was macaroni. When you see the macaroni, it is crazy. Coming towards macaroni, we have macaroni.
Yes.
So ये हफ्ते में भी pasta बनेगा.
बनेगा.
So this is a raw one, so it is not instant. Usually we keep a mix of instant and that kind of food also. If you talk about instant, then this is Starbucks chocolate mocha. As you can see, chocolate mocha flavor, and we love it. We both like it. So
We bring it usually and store it in the fridge, so we can drink it whenever we want, and
yes,
it's a very good coffee.
evening hunger is crazy. That gap of 5 to 7 is is where we eat the most junk food. Where we like to have that time, we like to have some junk food, so we don't keep that option only, so that everything is there in the house, so it becomes easy of no junk food. Talking about junk food, yes, of course there is some junk food. So this is Jai
This is
Balaji.
all what he likes. All what he likes.
This is Jai
Chips
Balaji.
and wafers.
UAE में भी बालाजी मिलता है. क्या बोलती public?
And he got this flavor, yeah.
Yeah, this flavor is amazing. Lays में कुछ नहीं होता है. Boss, the people the OGs who have Balaji are my real fans. Balaji खाने वाला ही बालाजी जाता. Yeah, so this is Bengal. Yeah, I'm bad at Hindi, guys. Please ignore.
This is Bengan.
Bengan.
Bharta wala Bengan.
Bengan Jan. This is Bengan Jan. What we call in Hyderabadi language.
No, they call it Begum Jan. You go.
This is Bengan Jan. This is my language, guys. So Bengan Jan. This is Bengan
This is
Jan.
Bengan Jan.
Begum Jan.
हम भरता बना के वक्त दिखाएंगे आपको कि
Yes.
कैसा बैंगन जान बनता है.
Bengan Jan.
पक के कैसा बनता है.
This is drumstick.
Drumstick.
Only one drumstick, since that's enough. So
That is
obviously-
enough for us. That much is enough for us.
Yeah, that is enough for us. Then this
Cream.
is
Cheese cream.
cheese cream. So this is basically cheese spread. You can call it cheese
Yeah.
spread also. And yeah, nothing to say about cheese. Cheese अच्छा ही. Then we have of course some ready-made food. So this is whole wheat paratha.
Paratha it is.
Al-Bake.
paratha.
Al-Baker, I guess. Oh, Al-Baker. I was calling Al-Bake for so many days. Wow, Al-Baker, guys. So this is pack of 3. So what this is? This is basically whole wheat parathas. So chapati ka masla ही.
If you like, if you are not interested in doing chapati, so आपको
Which nobody is, by the
झटपट
way.
करना है तो
Which
ये
nobody is, by the way.
सेक लो.
Every ladies will agree to that.
Yeah.
Chapatis are irritating.
इरिटेटिंग. सो
Very irritating.
आपको कभी कभी नहीं करना है चपाती तो इसको सेक लो और खा लो फटाफट.
मजा नहीं life.
मजा नहीं लाइफ.
टेंशन ही नहीं लेने का. इंस्टेंट में मजा ज्यादा आता है.
So we keep it in a fridge. So whenever we are bored of making chapatis, I do it fatafat and serve it.
Also, usually we used to just take this. Today we got a new variety of that.
Yeah.
That is ready-made aloo paratha.
Yeah.
It's crazy, right?
So like this is making my life so simple.
आलू पराठा चाहिए ये लो.
Making,
And they had aloo paratha, paneer paratha, methi paratha, what not. And I like paratha.
and
So
then onion paratha.
yeah, onion paratha also. And the best thing is that I like paratha. So I was just shopping around, and Richa calls me, says, "You like parathas, right?" I said, "Yeah." Which paratha do you want? And she's like,
Ye le.
"I have everything. I can make parathas for you whole day now.
Whole day now.
No preparations needed. You just ask.
I'll give it
I
to
will
you.
give it to you."
So next time you ask me any paratha, I
Yeah.
can give it to you.
So she was like, "You want paratha?" While coming from office, bring paratha. Simple. Simple. While coming from office, bring this. Tomorrow, दूसरे दिन सेक के
No.
दही के साथ पराठा.
I love cooking, so no.
She loves cooking.
This is only
Jokes
for
apart.
sometimes paratha
Yeah.
wala thing, but other things.
No, paratha wala thing is actually the aloo paratha thing. We ourselves discovered it today. So we don't
Yeah,
usually.
we discovered it today.
Yeah, aloo methi paratha, all parathas, guys, she makes, and too good, too good. Then there is tide ki safedi. Oh yes,
Yeah.
tide ki safedi.
Tide ki safedi.
He wants something. He's saying, "Mama, let's go." I don't know where.
Where?
He wants to go somewhere. I think we should open the door and.
Maybe it's night, man. We have just come. Okay, this one.
This one are from
Cookies.
Cookies.
Butter cookies.
Butter cookies. Yeah. So this is butter
This
cookies.
is all. This is all what he likes.
Yeah.
He eats all this kind
Guys,
of.
if you are able to hear lot of voice of Manu, we can't do a shit about it.
We are bearing it. Even you gotta bear it.
Yes, you got to bear. So these are some. The most important thing, guys, the most important thing of 2020, 2019,
Shoot properly,
2020,
na? Shoot.
still going hard 2021 and 2022 में भी यही पहनना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अभी
लग
आप
तो
क्या
ऐसे ही रहा है, लग तो
Yeah,
ऐसे ही।
क्योंकि अभी क्या आ गया है
Omicron.
Omicron something bullshit. We are so frustrated of this. I will tell you.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, yes. I will tell you why we are frustrated. UAE government has had announced a month back that everybody is vaccinated, so we will soon become a mask-free country. क्या दिक्कत है भाई? ये क्यों आ रहा है न्यू वेरिएंट? We were getting mask-free, and now suddenly we still have to wear it. Here the concession is you put the mask down, 3,000 dirhams fine. 3,000 dirham fine is 60,000 Indian rupees.
Yeah.
तो हिम्मत ही नहीं करने का. मास्क मुंह तक पहनते हैं हम लोग.
कभी कभी आँख में भी
हाँ सीधा you
कभी
tell
कभी
us.
आँख में भी चला
You
जाता
have a problem, you tell us, we will cover ourselves. 5 रुपए भी नहीं मिलेगा भाई अपने से. And there are some dates. Some dates, good. Yes, so next up is evening snack, bhakarwadi. Jai bhakarwadi.
है बकर पकड़ी.
Evening snack.
ये
So,
सबको अच्छा लगता है.
yeah, obviously, those who don't like bhakarwadi can subscribe and then go.
Don't say that.
No guys, we love everyone, no matter bhakarwadi or what. This is diet chiwda.
अब ये खा लो.
हाँ, आप ये करो.
ये खा लो.
जिसको bhakarwadi नहीं पसंद.
जिसको फ्राइड थिंग्स नहीं पसंद अब ये खा लो.
Diet chiwda.
This is the diet चूड़ा.
Yeah, that is the diet one. It is the diet chiwda. So light, nice,
ये भी खाना पड़ता है.
nice evening snack again. This is I don't know what this is called. Richa?
शेवया बोलते हैं.
शेवया बोलतात शेवया.
शेवयाची
काय
खीर.
म्हणतात त्याला? शेवयाची खीर म्हणतात दादा. शेवयाची खीर. I really don't know what this is
ये
called.
ढूंढ के लाया है. हम लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा था
Yeah.
from last 1 year.
Yeah,
We were
seriously.
searching from last 1 year, guys. We got it now. We got it now. और
They
ये-
actually
ये
had it, but
डालेंगे
they
और
were
इसका
like
खीर
the
बनाएंगे.
fat ones, and I think the fat ones are
No, the
The-
fat ones were not the sevaya.
that were
It was something
spaghetti.
else. Yeah, it was no.
Yeah, it was spaghetti.
No, it was not even spaghetti. It was a type of a noodle that Chinese people do. It was not spaghetti. Spaghetti is a different one.
Chinese लोग कुछ भी खाते हैं भाई.
कुछ भी खाते.
Chinese लोग के वजह से mask पहन रहे.
Even the people who are Muslims, they know they do put it in the shir kurma.
Yeah, sheer kurma.
So you guys can relate with this.
Yes.
So this is what.
And surprisingly, this we have got now. Just imagine they use it for sheer kurma.
We didn't
I think
get
we
it
did,
anywhere.
yeah, I
Now
think
we got it.
We got lucky today.
Yeah. And this is a
This also we were not getting, guys.
ये भी नहीं मिल रहा था. माचिस है ये
Matches. क्या बोलते पब्लिक matches?
माचिस.
No. On an serious
और
note.
let me tell you one joke, guys. हम भगवान को दिया कैसे लगाते थे?
Oh my God!
Like,
Please
we
don't share it.
we-
No, इतना honest बनने का जरूरत नहीं है.
No, no.
Chill.
Let me tell them. No,
Chill.
guys, we don't
Chill.
smoke.
इतना chill.
नहीं, मेरे को बताना है. We don't smoke, but still we got the lighter and we it is a very shameful thing. But हम लोग दिया उससे लगाते थे माचिस लाइटर से.
हार्ड है हम लोग
हार्ड. और फिर हम लोगों को मतलब खुद पे ही तरस आ गया. Then we finally searched it and we got it.
No, guys,
Like 1 साल तो हम लाइटर से ही लगा रहे हैं. It is a very what to tell.
मैं honest नहीं बनते रे बाबा.
नहीं, अभी जो है वो है. अभी लगा रहे थे तो लगा मिल ही नहीं रहा था. हम लोग क्या
What
करें?
we are.
We are.
So we don't care about that.
दिया लगाना इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो वो
Yes.
किससे भी लगाओ. और हम लोग तो वैसे स्मोक नहीं करते तो लाइटर किसी भी चीज के लिए यूज कर सकते. तो हम लोग लगा रहे थे. तो
For us it is good.
Yeah.
No, fun jokes apart, in Dubai we would have got it. In Abu Dhabi, the problem is Abu Dhabi is big, right? There, when we did the Diwali shopping, you must have seen that vlog. If you have not, go and see it. So, jokes apart, but we went to. There were only 2 shops. All right. In the 2 shops, we got everything apart from matchstick.
matchstick,
Everything. We even got mango leaves.
mango leaves.
But we didn't get matchstick, and now also when I go and buy some dhoop, agarbattis from there, we have to go there only. We don't get it.
Still they don't keep it.
Still they don't have matchsticks. So last week I went to take dhoop, which was very good.
I think that it's, if we put a matchstick wala business here, it will be like it will be a booming thing.
Mintas. दिमाग की बत्ती जलाने. अंकिता and Manas काढ़ी लावे. Come on, guys, give it up. Oh shit.
दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ.
दिमाग की बत्ती
जलाओ.
जलाओ. So soon you will see
Brand launching.
brand launching.
With our name.
Guys, who sponsorship? Sponsor करो रे. Yeah, so done. इतना ही था. अभी क्या पूरा रात दुखोगे क्या? जाओ enjoy करो. अगले वो
पुलिस दुखोगे.
रुकोगे.
देखोगे.
रुकोगे.
रुकोगे.
पूरा
हाँ,
रात
okay.
रुकोगे क्या? व्लॉग खत्म हो
ये
गया.
सिर्फ वीकली का था. अगर महीने का सामान जब हम लाते हैं तो
हाँ, महीने का सामान
वो
लेंगे
भी
तो एक
दिखाएंगे.
30 मिनट का वीडियो बनेगा.
बनेगा.
वो पूरा देखने का
उसके
ताकत
साथ हमारा
रहेगा.
चैट भी रहेगा.
हाँ,
तो वो भी देखो.
Q&A भी
Enjoy
रहेगा
करो.
उसमें. Q&A भी रहेगा.
Q&A भी रहेगा. हमारा मतलब हमारे साथ चैटिंग भी रहेगा.
Yes.
और देखोगे आप क्या क्या है, क्या क्या लाया है.
Today's highlight, guys. Ankita and Manas, काढ़ी लावे. We will keep this thumbnail.
No, I'm now I am thinking that I am out of it now. You do your Kaadi Lave business. I don't want to get into it. I'm out of it. Sorry, I'm out of it.
इधर दो ही बिजनेस चलेगा गाइस, पानी और काड़ी लावे, बस।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं,
पानी का बहुत मारा मारी है रे बाबा।
पानी का है, हाँ,
पानी
वो
का है।
पानी का है।
तेल का बिजनेस निकालना है तो निकालो, कुछ नहीं चलेगा, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा।
तेल ही तेल है यहाँ पे।
तेल ही तेल।
तेल ही तेल।
No, but everything is there, and to be honest, it was fun. Weekly shopping we always like, and the best thing is that every weekly shopping there is some new item which comes in.
Yeah.
So today's new item is this.
Please keep it.
No, this is also the new item.
This is what we searched. This
Yeah.
is what we
This
searched
is also
desperately,
the
and then
new
we got it.
item. Then ये रोटेशन में चलते रहता है.
ये different होते हैं।
Different. And this is the highlight. आलू पराठा.
Yeah.
This is the
But
new
this
item.
time guys.
नया माल आएला है.
Yeah, नया माल. But this time guys we have in the whole month we have decided to cut a lot of junk food like cakes
Yes.
and chocolates.
You know why we are cutting.
Cakes, chocolates.
Yeah.
Yeah, we brought cookies, but we just brought one.
Yeah. बहुत मेहनत से हाँ एक ही उठा है.
Just one of it.
ईमानदारी. You have to
ईमानदारी.
give a like for this video for
मतलब
this.
कम कर दिया है तो ये कम करते करते एक पे आया है अभी.
हाँ.
शायद ये भी
नहीं
नहीं
तो
होगा
weekly
time.
में guys there are 2-3 varieties of cakes, 2-3
Cakes,
varieties of.
yeah.
Actually I don't like sweet. Like if you have not seen the earlier vlogs,
Yeah.
you know that I absolutely don't like sweet. But then demand रहता है तो लाना पड़ता है. So 2-3 cake varieties.
खुद
2-3
का ही
biscuit.
डिमांड, खुद के पेट का डिमांड रहता है, बाकी
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं मतलब.
So this time I think it's all hygienic. Only cookies and chips
Yeah.
are something that we have kept.
And we
comes
didn't
okay.
bring white bread. We are not going to bring cookies and chocolates and cakes and muffins. So वो सब नहीं ला रहे इस बार.
Talking
हम
about
लोग
muffin, there is
yeah,
very
we
lot
didn't
of
bring
muffin.
ice creams also.
Yeah,
We
muffins
saw
also.
a lot of flavors there and then we decided नहीं यार.
Magnum.
मतलब लेना तो था
Yeah.
but then
Since she removed,
ऐसे ही मतलब
she
वापस
did-
आ गए.
It was not needed to say ice cream and muffins. Now I feel I need to.
No. One नहीं
Yeah.
करेंगे.
दृढ निश्चय म्हणतात ह्याला. दृढ निश्चय.
हाला.
फॉर आवर मराठी गाईस. आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे त्यामुळे दृढ निश्चय
मी
केला.
मराठी.
हो,
मी मराठी.
आणि त्याला कळत नाही मराठी.
त्याला कळत नाही मराठी.
The best thing is
आम्ही कळवायचा प्रयत्न करतोय.
we will try to someday record it. Usually it becomes a problem. There are a lot of things to record of Adhyay especially, but we usually, as soon as he comes in front of camera and he stops doing it. There is something very
He
good.
does like
Yeah, he'll just ignore it.
Ignore it.
He does something very cute. Okay, this is apart from the video, but I'm just quickly telling you. तुळशीचं झाड here.
तुळस.
तुळस. तुलसी.
तुलसी का प्लांट है.
हाँ, so we have it.
Why
so,
are you doing like what is problem? उसको तुलसी भी नहीं पता देखो.
हाँ,
मतलब
तो
क्या
होता है
क्या
ना,
क्या रहा.
ठीक आहे, इट्स फाईन. आता मराठीवाल्यांची हिंदी चांगलीच असते, होतं तसं कधी कधी, बट माय हिंदी इज ओके. एनिवेज सो
बात कर.
anyways
चलो.
so the best thing is that tulsi is not the best thing. Yeah, it is the best thing, of course, but what he does is he wants to water it. All right, so he waters it. He will water it and then he'll stand there, he'll touch the leaves and he'll say hi, kashe hai tumhi. So he
किसे तुम्ही?
kashe hai tumhi. So he'll sit and keep on playing with it. He'll call us, he'll say that he does as if the leaves and all that plant is his friend, and he'll keep on doing it. The moment we try to record it, he will do something else. And this has been going on
Very
for a
naughty.
month. For a month we are trying to record that and we are not able to do
नहीं,
it.
अभी तो हम लोगों को लग रहा है कि उसके ऊपर कैमरा ही बैठाना पड़ेगा. मतलब कभी तो बोलेगा तो हम लोग उसका
Record कर
निकाल लेंगे उसमें से
So
पार्ट
we'll
अपना
remove
अपना.
that clip. But hopefully we should be able to get it. Yeah, finishing up the vlog. We hope you have loved the video.
Yeah.
And
love chatting with us.
yeah, love chatting with us. I think this is what, second chatting vlog.
Maybe it is the first one only.
Yeah, it is the first one. It is the first one. So yeah, you will see a lot of this. And yeah, signing off the vlog. We'll soon come up with a new vlog. and hope you have the best time. Stay safe. There are new variants coming. I don't know what not. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of the people you love. And don't drink and drive on 31st, please. There are people waiting for you to come back. So 31st is just a celebration. It is not compulsory to drink. So the people who, I am not against drinking. The people who like to drink, it's fine. बट प्लीज़ दूसरों को तकलीफ हो ऐसा कुछ मत करो.
और ये पहनते रहो.
या वेयर दिस. एक दूसरे पे उल्टी मत करो on 31st. On a serious note, please don't drink and drive. Please take care of yourself. Don't excessively drink. और 31st enjoy करो. और hopefully अगले साल कुछ नया नहीं आए. So if they tell us to be mask free, we'll be like, am I missing something?
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen with this. Right.
It's become crazy. So guys, enjoy, stay safe, and stay tuned for the 31st December
And
New Year
Happy New
vlog.
Year in advance.
Happy New Year in advance. The vlog will be coming for 31st. We have something planned.
Yeah.
Stay tuned to the vlogs and bye. Take care. Love you all. Stay showing your support. Subscribe, like, and do what you want. Bye bye.
Bye.